You can't pop them. This one's going to be a bit painful as well, alright? I'm going to come underneath your collarbone. Okay. You ready?
So we just came back from my 5-minute walk that I have to do after every adjustment so that your body doesn't, I guess, go straight back to where it was. It's also recommended that you drink plenty of water. So I am getting stronger, like my body is holding alignment, which is really awesome. Like I said in there, I didn't think in the beginning it was gonna work. I was quite negative, and because I was in so much pain, I was like, how is just cracking a few bones going to actually help me? But I'm really thrilled to say that it actually is improving, and it's really nice to see a little light because, like I said, I was in so much pain and I thought it was the end. When I was warming up to do some acro yesterday, I really didn't have any pain at all, and I was like, don't push it. I don't want to like undo everything that we've done, so yeah, I'm still gonna take it easy for a bit. I think that's important, not to just obviously jump straight back into it. I'm just so glad my friend Alyssa recommended Leah to me because I would never have done it if she hadn't have, because I know something like this can be a bit daunting and I was really nervous for my first adjustment, but honestly it's so fine. I'm just so happy that I can actually see that it's doing something, you know, there's improvements. If you're suffering from a sore back and you're like, I'm not sure what to do about it, or I'm not sure what's wrong with me, I suggest going to see a chiropractor because it's helped me so much, so I hope this can help you guys as well. Peace.
It looks hectic, doesn't it? Okay. And this freaks me out. Oh yeah! Doing so well. Doing so well. So I'll talk you through everything as I do it, Sam. Bend this one for me and push it up nice and strong up into my hand. Okay, try this one for me and push it up. Okay, can you feel both of those today? They're not firing very well. So this one's going to drop me, so it's going to come up underneath you and then it's going to drop away, okay? Just another way to help me adjust. Bend this one again for me and push your leg up nice and strong. And then this one for me. That's better. So that's just telling me what sort of adjustment you need next. All right, Sam, you're going to have your first mid-back adjustment now, okay? No! Shoulders drop. I'm done. See, it's mine are just completely different to yours. My face is just like literally feel like you get squashed, eh? Like much better. You can actually see one of Sam's legs is longer than the other. So this one's longer than this one. Are we ready to adjust it? Yes. Alright. So again, you just might hear a little pop. It's just gas being released from the joint. Just a little bit louder because it's closer to your ears. Do you want me to just go for it? Yeah. Oh my god! It's fine? Yeah. That's right, I'll give you a minute. I'm usually pretty quick at them, so they're over before you know it. That was good. That was okay? Yeah, that was fine. Good. Alright, so I've got one more here. I've had all sorts of reactions after people's first ones. It was good though. It's just the shock of it because it's loud, because it's close to your ears, that's all. Thumbs up if you like it. There we go, you're all set. That's your first adjustment. I'm so brave. Always go for a walk after your adjustment, especially since you guys have a bit of a trek, and lots of water as well. Lady, you ready? Yeah. Alright, let's go. It's so funny though because you know, people would think that you guys being so similar, you would have very similar spinal issues. Well, yeah. Completely different. Yeah. Completely different places. One hand up here. Normally that goes weak. Yeah. Look at me go. Literally. Just crushing back.
Okay, first chiropractic adjustment done. That was interesting. That was much easier and better than I thought. Like, I think you always think that things are gonna be so much worse in your head. It was totally fine, and Leah is so good at making you feel really comfortable. It makes the process so much easier. I'm excited to see the changes, hopefully in like my back pain, which I'm looking forward to seeing.
You haven't been pushing it to the max, which I'm very happy about. Yeah, So there's obviously that concern about when you go to full capacity again. So what we'll do is when we kind of get to that, we're going to cross that bridge, you know. So as we start to reintroduce movements again, now that everything's started to stabilise, we'll see how your body responds to certain movements and how far we can push it. We'll start practicing in 2 weeks before. Okay, cool. Alright, so we're definitely going to be pushing the boundaries a lot quicker, which is fine. So what I want you to do for me is just like check in with me a lot more frequently. We're just going to pull up all of the findings. We had 25. All of those ones that I just checked then, previously you failed. So you now pass them. Previously when we did that one where I bring your legs up, that used to cause you pain. It no longer causes you pain. It's amazing. Try again. Try this one. No improvement on that one yet. She's doing pretty well though. Yeah. She's already kicking goals in terms of the other one. Good. Try it. No, good. Nose with a pass. Yes. You're doing so good. And open for me. It's still a bit wobbly, isn't it, that one? Yeah. Yeah, I've got drunk.
What causes that and what do you test for there?
So that one is, people think it's a balance thing, but we're actually just seeing how well your brain can perceive where you are in space and how you can walk. Yeah. So we remove the visual component, and if everything's all good, then you'll be able to keep it nice and straight.
Do people actually fall that?
Yeah. Lovely. Yours up through this section through here, so restricted.
Oh really?
Yeah. Whereas your lower part, like around here, it's a bit more flexible. So it means that you carry a lot of your stress up through this section. Tegan actually forgot to tell me, but I picked up that her knee wasn't moving properly. Yeah. And then you're like, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I actually had some issues with that knee. Yeah. I'm more than happy for you to start playing around with different movements. Okay? Back is happy. Never gets old. Yeah. Ready to go. So when I see you next week, we'll come up with a plan for you after you finish your next couple of adjustments.
Are you ever scared when it clicks that it's going to break?
It takes a lot of force to cause that level of damage onto your back for me. You're all set, Sam?
Today was Sam's third adjustment, and I actually didn't have an adjustment today because I only have to go once a week now. In my previous appointment, I had my progress reviewed. In my next adjustment, she'll tell me, like she'll give me a report on how I did and how I'm going. Because in the beginning I had 25 problems, I guess you could call them, so hopefully that number is going to decline. I'll let you guys know my next appointment. My appointment today went well. I was in and I was out. We actually tried some different exercises. Which ones? You know the back crack one, how she usually shoves you into the table? Yeah. Well, we tried that, but I never crack, you know, satisfyingly, like not enough. So she tried this new exercise where I sit up and she like gets under my underarms. It's like she's gonna pick me up and then we go. Really? And then yeah, I did a big crack. Yeah, it was good. Neck one she had to do twice. But yeah, overall good, easy, done. So we actually have a show coming up. We're performing at Telethon. We've had to tell Leah, like, because she's told us to like back off a bit, which we have in our acro, and we haven't been doing as much contortion. But we kind of have to because we have to rehearse for this upcoming show. And that's this Tuesday, so I'm hoping my back will be okay. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated of how we feel after we've had a few practices and like pushed our back a bit more than we have been. So yeah, hopefully we'll be good, but who knows?
So it's day one of practicing for Telethon. This is actually the first performance where I'm pushing my back to the limit. I'm going to ease in slowly because I literally haven't done contortion since like August and it's now October, so it's been like 2 months. Pretty nervous about that, but I should be okay. Outfit of the day. You like? Yeah. Thanks.
Look at this guy over here. Hi. Right here. I don't think they're meant to talk.
He's back.
Just relax.
She did. She was so opposite.
So it didn't work?
Oh, I was laughing at her. Ready? Zen. Serious, okay, let's go. It's okay. Wriggle your left foot for me. Oh my god. What is going on? You got to sit over next. There we are. Okay, we're doing this like guys. That was good. That's better. Maybe I'll hold it when you're ready.
So guys, we had telethon, we did our performance and we trained for 2 weeks, and in that 2 weeks of training we usually go through a lot of pain.
So we were pretty nervous to practice every single day for 2 weeks because of what happened the last time we did that, but it actually went pretty good. Chiro has made a world of difference.
Yeah, like this was kind of a test. We were worried about it because obviously our backs were feeling better.
So this was, I guess, the ultimate test, and we passed.
We passed! After 2 weeks it was only like twice that it hurt a little compared to like every single day. So basically that was the proof that this chiro, yeah, is helping us, which is amazing.
Oh, that was a good one.
Looks like you're waving. I love how you have all these things in your pockets.
I have like a full belt. I have considered it. Like a fanny pack or something? Yeah, like, do like a fanny pack with the whole thing. It's really embarrassing. Oh. Yeah, Corey. She back on.
So today we had a performance that we only found out about last week. So that means we've been practicing every single day for a week, and honestly our backs have not given us any trouble at all, which we're just so grateful for. And I actually can't believe we're at this stage where, you know, this spontaneous performance comes up and we're able to
Practice every day before and not be in pain. We basically went from doing a show this morning straight into a full-on like acro class, which involved a lot of contortion work,
and
you know, bending our backs a lot. And so after doing a show and then going straight into a class,
we managed just fine.
usually we'd be in so much pain doing that much acro.
Like I said in the beginning, I was really skeptical and I was like, this ain't gonna work.
So far, it's a big tick.
Hey, Charmin. It's actually walked.
What?
Good. Remember when that one was weak? No. At all. So everything I test is ones that were weak or failed. Nice. Say. Beautiful. One side. Good. Yeah. Very good. Doing great. And now is that causing you any pain? Yes. It is today? I'm having a bad day. Yeah, you are. This is a bad day for me. Do you know what though? This one's important because not everything happens linear. Sometimes we go a little skew-iff with healing. We need to fix this. So we went from 27 to 15. Woo! Very good. Doing great. So I want you guys still to stay weekly until you get through your dance concert, okay? And then we can start talking about spacing it out.
So today was exciting because in this appointment I did a progress report. So remember when we first got there we had to have x-rays, and then Leah did her own little like examination, and then you get this booklet and it tells you basically where you're at in the spinal degeneration. I'm in phase 1. You don't want to be in phase 3 or 2, and 2 is where Tegan is at, I'm pretty sure. I had 27 problems or issues. Today I redid the test and I actually found out that I have only 15 problems, which is amazing. everything. So definitely improvement there, which is what obviously we're going for. Today I actually knew it was going to be a bad day. My body felt out of whack already, so I was like, this is a great day to do the test. But it was good because I went down from 27 like initial problems to 15. So woo! Celebration. And I know personally in myself, I've seen the difference. I've felt the difference. When Tegan and I used to practice for shows, that was agony. Like, we used to just go through the pain thinking, yep, we're an acrobat, you got to take this pain. I never once thought that this could actually be fixed. Not fully fixed, but definitely maintained so that I can continue doing what I'm doing without that really bad pain all the time. Obviously, I don't want it to get worse. I still have my bad days where my back gives me pain, but it's way less than it ever used to be, which is what I wanted, which is what I need, you know, because this is my life. This is what I do, so I need to make sure my body is healthy so that I can continue doing this. Overall, I'm so happy with the progress so far. Hey guys, so I've lost count with what appointment I'm up to because I've been going since August. It's now the 1st of December, so I just wanted to update you guys with what went on in today's appointment. I actually asked Leah about my shoulder. She actually noticed there was an issue with my shoulder, and the report on me the very first time, like, she noticed there was a weakness. She got me to like push up. I struggle to do that because there's pain through here. I actually injured my shoulder a couple of years ago. I never really did anything about it. Like, it was sore for ages and it's just been like sore ever since. I guess my body's gotten used to like adapting to the pain kind of thing. But I remember Leah saying, oh, we can fix that, like we can do something about that. But because all the focus was on my lower back, I completely forgot about that. She did a few things, and so we're going to keep that up and see if it can help my shoulder, which would be amazing. So I'm hoping if we focus a bit more on my shoulder that we can see an improvement with that.
This one's going to be a bit painful as well, alright? I'm going to come underneath your collarbone. Okay. You ready? Yeah. Happy place. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Good job. How does that feel in the back?
Stronger.
Good.
Like I said, I've been just like, you know, putting up with it for like 3 years now, and I'm like, oh no, it's time to do something about it.
You're set. Thank you.
Namaste.
So she does really similar things every time, slightly different sometimes. Confusing.
Okay.
Basically, that's not good because
When your spine wears away.
you can't walk.
Hey?
On me back. On me back. Nigiamo George. Alright. And so yeah, that was my butt. My turn.
Vegan.
I'm being attacked.
Can you repeat that?